Tired of your friends hogging all the spotlight with amazing posts? Let's get those golden nuggets onto your own feed, pronto. Alright, first things first, find the post you want to share. See that little paper airplane icon right below the picture, next to the comment and like buttons? That's your key to reposting. Tap it. Now, a menu will magically appear. You've got a few options, but for the classic repost, select Add Post to your story. Boom! You're now in the Instagram story editor. The post is already placed neatly in your story. Feel free to jazz it up. You can move it around, resize it by pinching and zooming, and add your own creative flair with text, stickers, or even a quick drawing. Let people know why you're sharing this awesome find. Add a text bubble saying something like "check this out," or tag the original poster to give them some love. Stickers are your best friends. Spice things up. Once you're happy with your story, look for the Your Story button at the bottom left of the screen. Tap it to add the post to your own story. An alternative method is to hit Share To. You will see another menu that appears at the bottom, giving you the option to add to your story or send as a direct message to someone. And there you have it. Your repost is now live for all your followers to see. Remember that the original poster gets all the credit, with their username clearly displayed. Enjoy sharing the love. Viewers can click on the original poster's name in the shared post to see the content creator's original page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome Instagram hacks and tutorials. Let us know in the comments what other tricks you'd like to learn. Happy posting!